How to join the waiting room on Ticketmaster. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search for Ticketmaster and open up the first website. Now log in into your account. Now make sure you join the waiting room 10 minutes. Now make sure you join the waiting room 10 minutes prior to the event. Now open up the event. Now next to the event schedule, tap on the next icon. Tap on accept. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or research topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.